We run our business in two Salesforce orgs, one in the US and the other in Canada. I want to get a global view of our sales pipeline. To combine opportunities from both orgs into one analytics dataset, I connect to the remote Canada data and sync it with my local US org. Now I'm logged into my US org. The Connect tab in the Data Manager shows the data that I already connected to, grouped by the connection that I used. I'm connected to my local Salesforce objects in this org. I don't have a connection for my Canada org yet, so I create one. I have 4 connections: the default local connection to this org, plus 3 remote connections that pull in external data. Now I add another connection for my Canada Salesforce org. To connect to another org, I select the Salesforce External Connector connection type. Then I specify the connection settings, including the required name, developer name, and description. I underscore the developer name because I can't use spaces or special characters. The other settings here depend on the connection type. To connect to the Salesforce org, I also specify the username and password. After I save the connection settings, the new connection is ready to use. Next, I select the object and fields that I want to sync via this connection. When I click the connection, I get a list of available objects. Now I bring in opportunity data. Then I choose the fields to include. And I preview the data that I selected. I can remove fields that I decide I don't need. And I can edit field attributes such as the label and type, and decimal precision for measures. To finish up, I save the settings. My new connection appears as a section on the Connect tab, with my Canada opportunities as a connected object. To connect more objects, I just go back to Connect to Data and follow the same steps. To make the new data available in Analytics, I run DataSync. Then I can use the data in Recipes and Data Flows to create datasets. To make sure my org has fresh data, I'll schedule ongoing data syncs. There you have it, a new connection to our Canada sales data. Now it's your turn.